Welcome to Cosmatree, the software for cosmetics businesses. Cosmatree GMP provides cosmetics manufacturers with a complete turnkey solution for compliance with GMP ISO 22716. Automate your QMS workflow and move to a paperless system that can be quickly and easily deployed within your organization. You'll have the peace of mind of knowing that the following GMP requirements are met: internal audits, product recalls, standard operating procedures and working instructions, including a complete set of SOP templates that you can easily adapt and use. Issue management with CAPA required actions. Out-of-specification investigations. Customer complaints. Supplier reviews, including SCAR required actions. Department, role and user management. Electronic document management for GMP, including customizable forms and checklists. And reporting and KPIs. Cosmetri GMP extends beyond the requirements of ISO 22716 by also providing a tool for managing serious undesirable effects, including submission to EU authorities using the required SUE reporting template. Risk-based issue management and continual improvement are at the heart of the GMP quality management workflow. View the current risk level of all open items, identify trends and respond to out-of-specification deviations fast, applying corrective actions where required. Department and role-based user management enables a smooth transition in the event of personnel changes. If a new staff member takes over a role, all permissions, documents, and items are automatically adopted by the user, while retaining the integrity of all historical audit trails. Staff will always have access to the latest version of each GMP document, such as training manuals, working instructions, and SOPs, with the option to restrict access by departments and roles. The document management system is optimized for GMP ISO 22716, providing full version control and change logs for all documents. Quickly build a distribution list for each document, optionally sending an email notification and requesting each staff member to confirm that they have read the document. Upload any e-signed documents using your preferred e-signing service, with the in-application PDF viewer retaining document integrity and restricting users from making unauthorized changes. Conduct regular internal GMP audits with an overview of the level of completion. Compatible with most tablet devices, the auditor can perform their work on location, recording observations and uploading any photographic evidence to the associated section of the audit questionnaire. The audit can also be used to review all associated GMP documents and to generate CAPA-required issues for any observed irregularities. Cosmetri GMP enables rapid response in the event of a product recall. Import customer and distributor sales records with bulk actions and controls for preparing the product recall data. Template-based documents, such as recall letters and response questionnaires, can be quickly generated. Manage communication and activity with the product recall authority, and view the level of completion of a product recall, with any required actions shown. Cosmetri GMP fulfills the ISO 22716 requirement for supplier and subcontractor management. Set the supplier review cycle length with statuses automatically updated. For example, when a supplier review is pending or overdue. Manage supplier review and qualification documents, and track all associated communication. The cloud-based software can be deployed rapidly within your business, requiring only minimal IT skills and infrastructure. Data backup, security, and software updates are included in your subscription. Staff training is also provided, ensuring that Cosmetri GMP is configured optimally for your workflow and facilitating smooth adoption of the application within your company. Cosmatree GMP can work as a secure, standalone cloud application with the option to integrate with a product manager, providing enhanced QMS and GMP integration. Plans are available for companies of all sizes, ranging from small-scale manufacturers with only 5 users up to the unlimited plan for enterprise-scale businesses. Upgrade your plan at any time and add the required user seats to suit your organization's needs. Keep your business GMP compliant and ensure the maximum possible quality, safety, and efficacy of your cosmetics products. To find out more and to request a free trial and online demonstration, visit cosmetri.com/GMP or email info@cosmetri.com. Cosmatree, the software for cosmetics businesses.